Have you ever felt that the pain of losing someone creates a void that seems impossible to fill? As if each day brings new challenges but no answers on how to move forward? Loss is a universal experience, yet every woman carries this pain uniquely, and the path to coping can feel lonely and confusing. Today, I want to speak directly to you, a woman navigating grief. I know the pressures of life often force you to be strong for everyone around you, even when all you want is a moment to cry or simply breathe. But what if I told you there's a way to find strength within this pain? In this video, we'll delve into Stoicism, a practical and transformative philosophy that can help you face grief with wisdom and resilience. This isn't about ignoring or downplaying your pain, but about learning to embrace it and grow from it. Stay with me, because this is the first step toward transforming your loss into a journey of self-discovery and strength. You deserve to find peace, even in the hardest moments. Before diving into practical solutions, it's crucial to understand what Stoicism is and why it can be a powerful tool during such a delicate time. Stoicism, a philosophy founded over 2,000 years ago, teaches us that while we cannot control everything that happens in life, we can control how we react to those events. At its core, Stoicism invites us to focus on what's within our power and to bravely accept what is beyond it. For women, this message can be particularly empowering. We are often taught to care for everyone around us, placing our own emotions second. During grief, this becomes even more challenging. How can you find space to process your pain when so much is expected of your strength and resilience? Stoicism offers a practical and liberating answer. It shows us that acknowledging pain isn't weakness, but a vital step toward finding peace. This philosophy doesn't demand that you suppress your feelings. Instead, it teaches you to confront them without letting them completely overwhelm you. Moreover, Stoicism encourages us to find meaning even in the hardest moments. It's a journey of self-awareness and growth, where you transform your pain into learning and inner strength. With this foundation, let's explore the specific challenges grief brings and how to face them wisely. One of the greatest challenges in grief is the weight of societal expectations. There's a persistent belief that, as a woman, you must be the rock of the family, strong and unyielding. While the world around you seems to carry on as usual, you feel the pressure to keep everything running, even when simply getting out of bed is a struggle. Additionally, grief can be confusing, a whirlwind of emotions that often feel contradictory: longing and anger, sadness and relief, love and emptiness. It can feel like navigating a stormy sea without direction. To make matters worse, many women face isolation. Phrases like, "you need to be strong," can push you to suppress your emotions, distancing you from the support you so desperately need. These challenges are not signs of weakness, but reflections of how deeply grief impacts the mind and heart. This is why Stoicism, with its practical and compassionate approach, can be so transformative. It helps navigate these emotional waters by offering tools to understand, process, and overcome the challenges of grief. Now that we've identified these challenges, let's explore how Stoicism can provide practical and effective solutions to address them. Stoicism offers a set of teachings that can help you face grief with wisdom and strength. These practices don't erase the pain, but teach you to confront it with courage and balance. Here are some of the key tools this philosophy offers. 1. Acceptance of reality. A core principle of Stoicism is accepting what lies beyond our control. Loss is one of life's inevitable realities. Rather than resisting it, Stoicism teaches us to embrace it as part of life's natural cycle. Oh, how to apply. Make a list of what is within your control and what isn't. For instance, you can't change what happened, but you can decide how to handle your emotions today. This simple exercise can help you focus on what truly matters. 2. Focus on the present. Grief often binds us to the past or fills us with fear for the future. Stoicism reminds us of the importance of living in the present, the only moment we truly control. Oh, how to apply. Try a mindfulness exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus on your breathing. Allow yourself to be in the present moment, even if only for a few minutes. 3. Reframing loss. Stoics believe that meaning can be found even in the most painful circumstances. Loss, no matter how devastating, can be an opportunity to grow and honor the memory of the departed. Oh, how to apply. Keep a gratitude journal to record positive memories and lessons left by your loved one. This practice can help turn pain into a loving tribute. 4. Strength through community. While Stoicism emphasizes inner strength, it also values human connections. Remember, you don't have to face this alone. Oh, how to apply. Seek out support groups or reading circles focused on Stoicism. Sharing your journey can provide comfort and fresh perspectives. 5. Cultivating Stoic virtues. Stoicism highlights the importance of virtues like courage, patience, and wisdom. These qualities can help you face grief with dignity and strength. How to apply. Each day, identify a situation where you can practice these virtues. For instance, show patience in managing your emotions or courage by sharing your pain with a trusted person. These practices are powerful tools for navigating grief. It's not about overcoming the pain, but learning to live with it in a way that strengthens your soul and prepares you for what lies ahead. Now that you know these practices, let's reflect on how to integrate them into your life and find motivation to continue your journey. Grief will never be easy, but it's important to remember that it doesn't define who you are. The pain you feel today is a testament to the love you experienced and the bonds you built. However, this pain doesn't have to be a lifelong burden. It can transform into strength, resilience, and growth. You, as a woman, carry within you a courage you may not yet have discovered. It is this courage that will allow you to see beyond the pain, finding new ways to honor those who have passed and to live with purpose. Each step, no matter how small, is a move toward healing. Remember, Stoicism is not about being cold or indifferent. It's about finding inner peace, even amidst the storm. It's about understanding that pain is a part of life, but you have the power to decide how you will face it. Now, I want to hear from you. How have you been coping with grief? Share your story in the comments. Together, we can learn, grow, and find meaning amidst adversity. Before we wrap up, I have a special invitation for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Your participation helps build a community of strong and resilient women. Here, you'll never be alone. Remember, you have incredible strength within you, and together, we can transform pain into wisdom and purpose. If you found this content helpful and believe it can transform your approach to grief, don't stop here. Click on the next video, Overcoming Stress and Anxiety, and discover how to face daily challenges with calm, strength, and balance. See you there.